In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Confluence personal space. Confluence is a fantastic tool for team collaboration, but sometimes you need your own corner to organize thoughts, plan projects, or draft content before sharing with others. Let me guide you through creating a personal space just for that. To start, navigate to your Confluence homepage. This acts as the central hub where you can access all the spaces and content available to you. From here, let's move our attention to a key feature, the Spaces option. You'll typically find this on the side navigation panel. By clicking on Spaces, you're presented with an overview of all the spaces accessible to you, whether they're team-focused or personal. Once you're in the Spaces area, look for the Create Space button. This is where the magic begins. Clicking on Create Space takes you to a setup panel where you'll start defining your new personal area. Now, it's time to give it a name. Something simple yet personal, like My Personal Space, might suit well. This name is crucial as it helps both you and others identify the purpose of the space at a glance. Next, you'll need to decide on the space's purpose. This is essentially what you intend to use this space for. It could be for jotting down your project ideas, managing tasks, or maybe just keeping your notes and drafts. Setting a clear purpose at this stage helps in the long run by ensuring the space meets your specific needs. Following that, it's essential to configure the permissions for your new space. Confluence provides robust permission settings to control who can access your space. For a personal space, you might want to keep it entirely private. Select the option that says, Only Visible to Me. This guarantees that only you can view and edit the content, giving you a safe place to store draft documents or personal notes. With permissions set, go ahead and hit Next. This acts as a confirmation step, allowing you to review your choices before moving forward. If everything looks good, proceed with confidence. The final step in this creation process is to confirm your collaboration space. Make sure everything is precisely as you want it, and then click Create Space. This action finalizes your setup, and just like that, your personal space is ready. Now you have your exclusive place on Confluence. You can start populating it with pages, notes, and anything else that'll help streamline your project management or personal planning. It's all set up for you to explore your ideas freely without distraction. I hope this guide helps you take full advantage of Confluence's potential for boosting productivity and managing your workflows effectively.